How to adjust application in text display size on your mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can adjust application and text display size on your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. Once you're under settings, scroll down and head over to accessibility. Under accessibility, head over to display size and text. You will land on this interface. Now to increase your text size, navigate to the option as font size. With the help of this slider, you can drag the slider and then you could select the size of the text as you would like. If you want to change the display size, head over to the display size, and here again you could change or increase the display size as well. So that's it. That's how you can change your application and text display size on your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.